is a lost turtle. And that's the turtle's home, the ocean. But it's okay. A rescuer and his hat are going to bring them together. Hey guys, it's me, Roman. Today I've got 2 real animal rescue stories for you and 6 rescued animals. 5 baby turtles plus a baby bird. It's going to be amazing. This first story starts in the ocean. That's where sea turtles are supposed to live. But this turtle is in the wrong place. She's nowhere near the ocean. What was she doing? Then someone found a clue.
You can see all these baby turtle tracks.
The tracks showed that there were lots of little baby turtles, and they were all walking in the wrong direction. A whole group of turtles were lost. So the rescuer followed the tracks. And started finding lost turtles.
He's heading the wrong direction.
There, stuck behind that stick. It's okay, turtle. You're going back home soon.
Well, I found these 2 little tykes so far.
But he didn't stop there. He kept searching. He found another. And another.
Come here, little fella.
And another. Wow, that's a whole 5 turtles, all saved in the rescuer's hat.
5 cute, adorable little sea turtles.
But turtles don't live in hats. They live in the ocean. So the rescuer took them to the beach and set them free.
Okay, here we go. The final home stretch for these little guys.
Way to go, turtle. You're almost there. Yes, the turtles made it. All 5 turtles safe in the ocean. They must be really happy to be home and thankful too. It just feels so good to think of those baby turtles swimming free. This next story is also about a lost baby animal, a little bird who was lost and all alone.
What you doing, buddy? You fall out of the nest?
This baby robin was so little and hadn't learned how to fly yet. He was stuck on the ground with no place to go. The man wasn't sure what to do. The bird's parents could be looking for their baby. Maybe he should leave the baby for them to find. But there was a cat nearby. The man was worried about the bird with the cat around. So he decided to bring the baby inside to keep him safe. First, he made him a nest to live in. Then he fed him food and more food. Soon the bird started to trust the man and they became friends. The man hoped the bird would learn to fly soon so he could live safely outside. And soon he did. Thanks to the man, he could live all on his own in a tree outside.
He spent the night in this tree last night. Good boy, you want to eat?
But even though the bird was strong enough to live on his own, he still comes back to visit his friends. He was so grateful for the man's help. I think the bird is saying, thanks for rescuing me, thanks for the food, and thanks for everything. So that makes 6 lost animals rescued in today's stories. Before I go, I want one last look at those turtles in the ocean. Keep swimming, turtles! Thanks so much for watching 2 of my favorite rescue stories. Bye! If you see an animal in trouble, don't try and rescue them by yourself. Ask an adult family member for help. My mom helps me with the dogs I rescue.
Dodo Kids.
Like, comment, and subscribe.